Welcome to our channel where we help beginners master success and turn their dreams into reality with affiliate marketing. In today's video, we'll discuss the key steps to achieving your goals in this competitive industry. Steps: 1. Set clear goals. 2. Create a plan. 3. Take action. 4. Stay consistent. 5. Adapt and grow. The first step to mastering success is setting clear and specific goals. Whether it's to earn a certain amount of income or reach a specific audience, having a clear vision of what you want to achieve is essential. Once you have your goals in mind, it's important to create a detailed plan of action. This includes outlining your target audience, selecting the right products to promote, and developing a marketing strategy that resonates with your audience. Taking consistent action is key to turning your dreams into reality. Whether it's creating new content, reaching out to potential customers, or analyzing your results, staying proactive and focused will help you achieve success in affiliate marketing. Lastly, it's important to adapt and grow in this ever-evolving industry. Pay attention to trends, analyze your results, and be willing to make changes to your approach to stay ahead of the competition. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is possible with dedication, hard work, and the right strategy. If you're ready to take your dreams to the next level, click on the link below to learn more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.